Oh, sure. I'm Neetu Jain, a French language trainer at Just French Language Institute. I hold a master's degree in French from a prestigious Delhi university. I have an experience of teaching French for more than 12 years to students of all age groups from beginners to advanced levels. At Just French Language Institute, we tailor courses to suit specific needs and goals of all the students who aspire to go to France and other French speaking nations for higher studies, for working professionals who are engaged in various industries such as hospitality, tourism, finance, and other industries, for lovers who are passionate about foreign languages and choose French to learn as a language to add to their skill sets, for travelers who travel to France and other French speaking nations for tourism and business, for culture enthusiasts who are passionate about French culture, literature, art, cinema, and wish to explore it in the original version. In this YouTube series, we make use of audio-visual methods. You will be watching 5 minutes French and will be receiving the explanations in the description below in French and English to understand the concept better. Our focus is in building your confidence in speaking, so we encourage you to practice just 5 minutes French regularly. You'll learn the concepts and apply them practically through the live worksheets links given in the description below. So I welcome you all to this fascinating world of French language. If you enjoy the content, we would love to hear from you in the comments below, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel to know more. À bientôt.